Hayi injalo. Bolo zamafika sana. All right. You know, kunomehluko umuntu onabantu abadala. Umuntu nje ogadiwe nje abantu bakuba. Yazi, I don't even have to take you through a history lesson. But when we talk about amagumbamane, what do they mean? See? Also, never forget ukuthi the elder generation okanye amathongo used to live ngaphansi kwamakhosi nezigodi. Izigodi ezinjani? Ezingafani. Ezinani? Ezinemikhuba yakhona namasiko akhona. Yes, things changed as time went by, but it remains the same. Ukuthi baphuma kwisiphi isigodi. I speak a lot about these types of things because you need to understand abantu bakini ukuthi bayihlobo luni, baphuma kuphi, bephila kanjani. Especially if you are spiritually inclined. You need to understand this thing. I'll always say, yes, don't forget I'm not from your family. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not your cousin, man. I'm not your anything. I'm not your sibling. Neither am I your ancestor or whatever. But it is you that has to go and learn to speak to your ancestors your way. I can't come and enforce my ways on you. That is rubbish. When you eventually as well lead people, you don't enforce your ways on people. You allow their ancestors to lead the way, and you can show them how you handle that situation. Trust me, it doesn't always work. But I will always emphasize, speak to your own ancestors. Mina, I'm very rude, man. I'm very straight. I'll tell you, listen, go and speak to your ancestors. Say, ngiyakuzwa. But this one, you need to go and or speak to the person that helped you get to where you are. Why? Because they chose that person for you so that that person can give you that knowledge. Don't come to me and I am teaching you awareness. I am teaching you how to ask. I am teaching you what to look for to embed your own understanding. I don't have to. I do it on a daily with my people in my stable. What's up, Miss Bai? Hi, if I know what today, there's a hell of a lot of us. And I speak to each and every one of them every day. So, again, the lesson that we are pushing here is that learn to ask your own ancestors, because it's very important to know. Izigodi. Do you know ukuthi ezinye igodi zazingazwani zayixabana? Suke sekwenze njani when they take their child to umelaphi wakulesa sigodi lesi abangazwani naso? Ask your Kobela. Ta.